Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little different video. I just want to share, and I don't want to make it long, just to share a little bit about myself and why I started this channel. My name is Rosendo and I am from West Texas. It's a little bitty small town called Sudan. Population is less than 1,000, so that's how small we are. Small little town. One of the reasons I decided to start this channel was to share some of the things that we've learned along the way building this Cutlass. Also to document things that we're currently doing to it and trips. We don't like to just work on the car, even though we love working on it. It's also fun to drive it and test it. See if all that work you did to it actually works or is just good enough to drive around town. So we try to go like out of state if possible and drive it for miles and just see if it's gonna work or fail. Another thing I wanted to do was to share other people's cars. People that like cars, they appreciate it. They appreciate other people's builds, just seeing other cars, trucks, and how they put it together. In this channel, we appreciate all builds. We don't talk bad about any of the builds. We like everything. If it's a car, we don't care what it is. If you're into the lowriders and you like the little 13s, hydraulics, awesome. You know, thumbs up to you. If you like the 26-inch wheels on these G bodies, awesome. To us, it doesn't matter if you have a V8, if you have a 4-cylinder, if you have something you want to put in your car the way that you want it, that's the way it is. If you put your money and effort into it, I think that's awesome enough and everybody should appreciate. Do not let the internet or anybody else build your car. You build it how you want it. Everybody has something different that they want for their car. For example, like my build, we did an LS swap, you know, transmission. If you watch the videos, we show everything it has. Me, I like to drive it. I like to get on the highway. If I need to pass 2 or 3 or 4 cars, that I can give it some gas and it's gonna move. Other people go the mileage route. So yeah, if you want good mileage, they go with a little V6 and do some different things, or just stock V8s have better mileage. This one, not as great, but not too bad for what it's got. You build your car how you want to, regardless of what anybody tells you. Also, we get a lot of comments on cars, or someone always has something to say about they don't like the wheels, they don't like the color, they don't like a spoiler that you have, whatever. There's always someone that doesn't like something about everybody's car. To us, how boring would it be if everybody built their car exactly the same? If everybody liked green, for example, and all the cars were green, and they were all Monte Carlo SS, and they were all, you know, stock, and they all had, if they were exactly the same, it'd be boring. Now, everybody's vehicle says something about your personality. Everybody's different. We have to understand that. I just don't get it when somebody always has something to say about, I don't like this, and this is ugly, and you should take that off. You should. Don't listen to that. You build your car how you want it. If you feel good about it and that's what you want, that's all that matters. Bottom line is everybody putting the 2 cents in didn't put a penny towards your car. You put your money and effort and work and everything, your sweat, everything. Thumbs up to you. You just keep rolling with what you have and what you like. Something else I want to touch base on is, to me, other YouTubers, I don't see anyone as competition. I think that everybody's doing the best they can. Everybody's trying to do something. I think that's pretty awesome. When someone's trying to do something for themselves or trying to work at something, build something, that's amazing to me. When I see a video from any other YouTuber, I watch it, I like it, I give a thumbs up, I give a comment, I tell them, hey, keep up the good work. Like, keep on going, keep on doing what you're doing. You got to support each other. That's what I think. It's not competition. There's enough viewers in this world for everybody, for all of us. We just started, so we're a small channel, but there's viewers for everybody. I would like to collaborate with some channels. Together, I think we can make a bigger difference. One person can make a difference. I truly believe that. But if you collaborate with a group of other people, I mean, you can do so much more and reach so much more people. That's what I would like to do. I'd like to collaborate, work with others. I'd like to get to a point where we can do some giveaways that will make somebody's year, not just their day. I see other channels or stuff doing like a car giveaway, but I look into it, and to me, a giveaway You enter free. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to, that's to me a giveaway. But these giveaways are raffles. So you have to spend money to buy tickets, and so they're raffling out the cars. And that's awesome. That's awesome. But me, I would like to actually someday grow, collaborate, maybe even by myself. If I could do it someday, I would love to give a car away, but free, like a giveaway. Don't have to buy merchandise, don't have to buy tickets, raffle, none of that. I would love to get there and be able to make somebody's year, not just their day, and say, you just won this car, just by simply putting that comment down below that tells us how to reach you when you win. Something like that simple. That's where I want to get to. I want to help different ways. I want to help people that are in need. There's a lot of people that need different things, not just car related. I want to be able to reach out and help people. I still haven't fully thought of how and in what ways, but I want to make a difference. So growing this channel is going to be amazing to do that. And hopefully we can work with other YouTubers, and together we can make a difference, a big difference. I don't want to make this video too long. Like I said, it's just going to be short. Just give some information. I did go to some college. I have an Associates of Science degree. I'm a pharmacy technician, and I'm not a pharmacist. Pharmacists, I'd be making good money. I'd be making a lot of money. I'm just a pharmacy technician and just works like the average guy. I work to pay my bills, to feed my family, you know, just to get by. I'm no different than anybody else. That's what I do. I've been doing this for 19 years. Everything lately has changed in this world. We're to a point where there's changes at work that not good. We love making content about cars. We love cars. And it's just a getaway from everything else. And hopefully people enjoy it. Also, another thing about me, I love fishing. I love fishing. We've been fishing since we were kids. We actually have a YouTube channel. It's called Hook 'em Row. We'll put it up here somewhere on the screen, and we'll put it in the description, a little link, so you can just click it. If you like fishing, check it out. We don't upload that much on that channel. It's just mainly for our own personal memories. And we just started it not too long ago, so we have a few videos up. But if you like big catfish, check it out. Another thing that I do, we have a band, and we've been playing for years. We have CDs out. They play us on the radio, on internet radio. It's cool stuff like that. Now, nothing big. We're not famous or anything like that. We just have a good time with that as well. My two baby sisters, they play accordion and sax, which is pretty cool, and they're pretty good. And if you want to check them out, we also have a channel for that we've uploaded when we can the past few years. So there's not much on there, but we'll also put it here somewhere on the screen, and we'll put the link underneath. It's Spanish music. I know everybody doesn't speak Spanish, but music is universal. So if you like the beat, just jam out to the beat. We're not saying anything bad. It's just songs, just songs. So if you like that, check it out as well. Another fun fact about me is that I love riding motorcycles. I've rode through 16 states, and we've rode to Mexico and back. The longest trip my friends and I have taken, we went from Sudan, Texas to Key West, Florida, which was about a 4,000 mile round trip, and we did it all in 1 week. So we rode a lot of miles a day. It was fun. I love riding. Needless to say, our butts were sore for probably another week. But that's just another fun fact I wanted to throw in there. Currently, we're sitting at 870 subscribers. And to a lot of people, that's probably nothing. To me, I'm excited about that. I think that's awesome. I'm just surprised that 870 other people even care what I have to say or show or anything. I don't know. I just feel like, wow, that's a lot for me. So I'm excited with that. I hope, like I said, that it grows so we can reach out to more people and do some cool stuff. And I'm still thinking of what kind of things, but we'll figure something out. And I appreciate the 870 subscribers. I appreciate the nice comments, even the bad comments. If you get a bad comment, that's good too. We accept it, we take it, and we don't get mad about it. So if it's a negative comment, perfect. That's good with us. It's good. You got to take good and bad, and you got to know how to take both. I'm excited where we're at. We haven't done this very long at all, so that's great. Hope I didn't drag it too long. That way, you know a little bit about me, and why we started the channel. So I appreciate every single one of you for watching, and I hope that you continue to enjoy content that we put out. See you guys on the next video. Thanks.